We're so excited to bring you this Dares Rips today. Whatever day it is. It feels like it's a Friday, but it's not.
It's not. It has felt like a Friday.
We're opening another Mega Evolutions.
Mega
Really opened up the pack that time. We're gonna give away this code as always because we're so generous here. All right, one to the front. We got the energy card. We got a cool looking Sandshrew card. Very sick. Lit Leo. A Crockerkrant. Sorry, I can't read backwards. Tinkatink. We got a strange timepiece. We got Shuckle. Very cool.
I like Shuckles.
Shuckle is sick.
Shuckles.
And we got Chinyu.
Chinyu.
And we got Soldi. And then we got this cool ninja card. Very sick. And another Yedil. Wow, we got something cool today.